Hey, what's up, fools? I'm Lauren, the designer and portrait illustrator behind the brand Laurenlesleystudio. Welcome to my channel. I help creative entrepreneurs and aspiring designers reach their dream career online. Make sure to watch the whole video, like it, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in. Hey, what's up, fools? This is Lauren with Lauren Leslie Studio, and today we're going to be talking about why every designer needs an email list. Now you may be thinking, what is an email list and why the heck does it matter? And if you're wondering that, you are in the right place. Today we're going to go over why you need an email list in the first place, why an email list is different from social media, how to choose a provider, and how to get subscribers on your list and how to craft your newsletter. So, the problem with social media. Okay, so although social media is very important to growing your business online, you don't own it. So a few years ago, every business was trying to get as many people as possible to like their Facebook page because then they would show up naturally in their Facebook newsfeed. Well, Facebook decided to change their algorithm because they own Facebook, you don't. And now business pages are basically dead. So businesses spent all this energy, all this money, marketing, and everything trying to get people to like their Facebook page. And then in the end, it didn't really make a whole lot of sense. It was totally useless because they didn't actually own all of these likes. I mean, Facebook could just change it at any minute. Another reason why social media is a little bit harder than email is because it's difficult to contact your tribe directly. If you're putting a ton of energy and a ton of money into social media, especially a platform like Facebook or Instagram, you just kind of have to cross your fingers and say a little prayer and hope people see your stuff in their feed. Like, what if they're not on their feed that day, or you're posting at the wrong time, or you're posting at a time where there's too much competition. So it's difficult to contact your customers or get your leads directly. Email lists, on the other hand, allow you to contact your customers and leads directly in inbox. So it's intimate. You're contacting them directly. On social, you're posting for the whole wide world. So that means something to your potential leads or customers. A thoughtful email is it's more intimate. It's like chatting with a good friend, and it's intentional. You know that someone sat down and crafted this email very intentionally, where sometimes social just kind of looks like, oh, here's a pretty picture, hope you like it, cool. Also, email subscribers are way more likely to become customers, and existing customers are more likely to become repeat customers. Can I get a hell yeah? Also, with email lists, conversion rates are high. According to Opt-in Monster's article on May 29th, 2018, so this is very recently, guys, there are 2.6 billion with a B, email users versus 1.7 billion Facebook users. So email is pretty much like double the amount of Facebook users. So you just have a bigger audience to work with in the first place. Not everyone is on Facebook. My cousin who's in his 20s is not on Facebook. My fiance who's, 35 has a Facebook account, but he literally never, ever, ever, ever logs in unless I tell him, hey, you need to go contact this person, or there's an event we're going to, you need to respond to. Some people just aren't that active on Facebook, but everyone is on email. For 58% of people, email is their first check of the day. So they may wake up and grab their phone and immediately, what do? Look at their email. Or maybe they have breakfast, have their coffee, drive to work, and then what do? They look at their email, first thing. And that's versus only 11% of people who look at Facebook first part of the day. And you also have to take into account different age groups, like what's your target audience, this and that. Someone checking Facebook first thing in the day, they may be out on school break, or may not have, a huge to-do list that day. So that kind of factors into also who you're trying to target. Okay, so 77% of people find promotional material acceptable in email. What? What? That means, hey, like if you're sending a promotion, people aren't going to be offended if you send them an email about it. They're like, yeah, that's cool. That's what email is for. This is where I want to look up sales and coupons and deals. Like, I don't want to see it on my social media feed. Only 4% of people find it acceptable to see promotional material on Facebook. That's supposed to be this intimate time for their friends and family. That's what Facebook was originally. It was supposed to be, connecting with first your college friends, and then it kind of extended and it's more of your, family now and whatever. But that's supposed to be social. It's not supposed to be where you're shopping. Like, you don't want to get on Facebook to shop. You want to get on Facebook to see who had a cute new baby or, who went to the beach last weekend. So emails deliver an excellent ROI, which is return on investment, for those of you who might not know, which is 21% of the time versus Facebook and Twitter ads are about 15% ROI. So get this, guys. 66% of consumers have made a purchase because of a promo email. How cool is that? 66%. I think that's pretty good. Versus only 20% have made a purchase based on a Facebook promotion. So that kind of shows you, hey, like people are kind of turned off by seeing, promotions and ads on their Facebook newsfeed. They're kind of like, ugh, gross. Like, I don't want to see that here. But, in their email, it's totally acceptable. Email reaches 79% of the people you send it to, and this is the average global inbox placement rate, just FYI. Facebook's organic reach, get this, guys, this is crazy. It's declined to about 1 to 6%. 1 to 6%. How crazy is that? What is Mark Zuckerberg doing? I mean, really? Really? So you put all this effort and energy into, posting something on Facebook or Instagram, and Facebook's organic reach. Like they're trying to force people to buy ads so that your stuff even gets seen, which is crazy. Like they should not, in my opinion, this is my opinion, but I understand they have to get paid, okay? Like, yes, everyone has to get paid. Totally get that. But it's just not fair. It's just not fair to, basically fuck with the algorithm that much to try to force people into paying for ads just to be seen on Facebook. Like, hey, Facebook, guess what? You're not that important. Email has way better statistics and reach and effectiveness than you do. And so you're only hurting yourself. Facebook, by declining the organic reach. Maybe you could say, oh, ads have a boost that organic reach doesn't, but don't fuck with it and make it, totally obsolete. That's just not cool. Like, no one's going to be on the platform if they can't, share the cool things that they're doing. So that means if you're blah, 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 can't talk. That means if you're posting on Facebook, only 1 to 6% of your Facebook fans will actually see your posts, which really totally blows. So the bottom line is email has far greater reach than social media, if you couldn't figure that out already. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to catch the next video coming up. You don't want to miss it. Please hit the thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss anything awesome. Links are in the description so you can connect with us on social and get your freebie. Don't forget about that. Leave a happy comment below and let me know what you think so I can keep putting out great videos. See ya!